And we're back to learning CapCut in here, day 40. Let me show you how you can align objects. For example, this clip right here, sometimes you scale things up, move them around. And maybe you want to realign it to one of these borders of the canvas or of your blank screen. Just go to Video Basic, open a Transform drop-down. And there is this alignment option right here. It's for line left, top, right, bottom, and then also center line, horizontal and vertical. So you can easily find the center using that. And make that smaller, and you can see that it aligns it perfectly to the size of this black background. And this not only works for video, but also for images and, for example, text. I'm going to go over how to create text in the future as well. But for now, just go to text, click on default text, and it should be added as an element in your timeline right here. You have to scroll a little bit though to find the transform, because text has different properties as well. You're still under basic. This time it's not video basic, but text basic. And then you scroll till you find the drop down here for transform. There's alignment again, just like we had it with video basic transform. And this is how you can align objects in CapCut. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.